Looking for a portable air purifier to keep the air clean at home? Let's check out the Morento Air Purifiers in 3 different sizes today. Hi, this is David of Tech for Bubba. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, let's look into these 3 Morento Air Purifiers. See how they're the same and different. More importantly, have they worked well in keeping the air at our home clean? Let's start with the largest one. The model number is HY4866. It came in a simple white box with the air purifier printed in the front and the specs printed on the side. Inside the box, there is the air purifier, a white power adapter. The air purifier is well packed with these black bumpers on the plastic bag. There's a quick start guide and a manual. The air purifier is in a sleek rectangular shape with rounded corners. It has a white plastic body all the way around and a dark gray top. The bottom is black and there are 4 little rubber feet to keep it from sliding around. It measures 12 inches wide, 7 inches deep, and about 16 inches tall. It weighs almost 9 pounds. There's a handle in the back so it's easy to move it around. Under the handle, there's a PM2.5 sensor to monitor the air quality. The controls are on the top. We'll go over them in a bit. In the front, there's an oval LCD screen. What sets this Morento Air Purifier apart is it has air intakes both in the front and in the back. Air gets sucked in both the front and the back and blown out from the top after it's filtered. Under the front grille, there's a H13 high-efficiency HEPA filter. This combo filter has multiple stages of filtration that can remove 99.97% of air particles as small as 0.3 microns, dust, smoke, pollen, and odor. There's a fine pre-filter in the front, H13 true HEPA filter in the middle, and a honeycomb activated carbon filter in the back. Since the air enters from both the front and the back, under the back grille, there is another filter just the same. Morento also offers an enhanced filter with a layer of electrostatic cotton and high activated carbon content for pet owners. I'll have links to these filters and the air purifier in the description below. The power input is towards the bottom on the left side. Let's plug it in and see how it works. In the center of the touch control panel, there's a power button to turn the air filter on or off. When it's turned on, the LCD displays the PM2.5 index showing the current air quality. There's also a cool ring light around the LCD that glows red, yellow, or green depending on the air quality. I like how it's easy to see the current air quality from across the room. The LCD also shows the filter life. The fan speed button is to the right of the power button. Here is level 1. Very quiet. Level 2. Level 3. And level 4. Next to it is the sleep mode button. When turned on, the purifier will run at its lowest fan speed and the LCD screen will be off. The rightmost button is for the automatic mode, which adjusts the fan speed according to the air quality level. I like how there are little indicator lights above the buttons. It'd be even better if these buttons are backlit though. On the left side of the power button, there is a button to lock the controls. Hold it for 3 seconds to turn the lock on or off. Next to it is a timer button to set a 2, 5, or 8-hour shutdown timer. Lastly, there is a filter reset button. When it flashes, replace the filter and hold this button for 5 seconds until 3 beeps to reset the filter percentage. This large air purifier can refresh the air of a room as large as 1,000 square feet in an hour. I've been using this in our kitchen dining room, which is about 20 feet by 19 feet, and it has been able to keep the air quality of the room good without any problem. The street price for HY4866 is about $130, and there's a good discount from time to time with the link I'll put in the description below. If this air purifier is too expensive or too large for your room, Morento has a mid-size model. This is the Kilo. It's in a cylindrical shape, 7.5 inches in diameter, and a bit over 15 inches tall. About half the width of the HY4866 and a bit shorter. It has the same white plastic around the body. The gray on the top is a bit lighter than its big brother. On the bottom, there are 4 rubber feet as well. What's different is the bottom is also a cover for the filter. The filter can be accessed and changed by unscrewing this bottom cover open. When I was unpacking the purifier, I couldn't find the power adapter for the longest time. Turned out it was packed inside the filter. Guess it's good this way to make sure the customers remember to unwrap the plastic cover of the filter before using the purifier. The Kilo Air Purifier has the same 3-in-1 filtration system. In addition to the original filter like this one, there's a pet allergy filter with an upgraded carbon filter to reduce odor caused by pets, and another one with double carbon filters to enhance the removal of odor from smoke. There are air inlets all around the lower half of this purifier. Air enters from these inlets, gets filtered, and then blown out from the top. The power supply is in the middle of the back. The touch controls are in the center on the top. There's a power button to turn the purifier on and off, a fan speed button to toggle the fan speed between high, medium, and sleep, which is nice and quiet. A timer button to set an off timer to 8, 4, or 2 hours. Lastly, a light control button to turn off and on the multicolored night light. There's 7 colors to choose from. The Kilo Air Purifier can also clean the air of a room as large as 1,000 square feet. It has also worked well in our 380 square feet kitchen dining room. At about $100, it's smaller and cheaper than the large HY4866, but it doesn't have all the bells and whistles like the air quality sensor and an LCD screen. I'll also put a link to this one with good discounts from time to time in the description below. Now, if the Kilo Air Purifier is still too large, Morento has this little cute one, HY1800, for a small room. It's about 6.5 by 6.5 inches and just 9 inches tall. It's more square on the top and much shorter than the Kilo Air Purifier. The power adapter is also a little smaller. By the way, the adapter also came packed inside the filter. Morento does include a quick colorful note about it with this one. Speaking of the filter, even though the HY1800 is much smaller, its filter is constructed the same way as the filters for the 2 larger purifiers. It's a H13 true HEPA filter with a pre-filter in front and a high-efficiency activated carbon filter in the middle, all working together to capture 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns in size. There's a special smoke remover filter as well. This little air purifier is very easy to use. There's only one button. The power port is on the lower left corner in the back. Once plugged in, The purifier is in its standby mode. A white light around the button lights up. Press the button once to enter the sleep mode with the fan running at its lowest speed, and the sleep mode indicator light slowly toggles on and off. It's very quiet. Press the button again for the low fan speed mode, and again for the high fan speed mode. It does get a little loud at this speed. There's a 4-hour shutdown timer that can be set up by holding this same button for 3 seconds. This little air purifier costs about $40. Again, there's a link in the description that offers a good discount from time to time. It's been working well in one of our bedrooms, which is about 11 feet by 10 feet. Oh, and this little guy has one feature that the bigger air purifiers don't have. In the center on the top, under this cap, there's a foam pad for essential oil to make the room smell good. Nice. Air purifiers have made our life at home much more comfortable throughout the year. They've been helping us filter out dust from wildfires, nearby constructions, pet hair and odor, and springtime pollens the kids and I are allergic to. What size air purifiers are you looking for? Let me know your favorite air purifiers in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life, kids and family, please subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in that next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment. There's a 10% discount code for the month of April 2023 I'll put in the description below. Thanks for Morento for sending these out for me to try and share with you.